Okay, good afternoon, everybody. I just wanted to report on the Twinning initiative with press in Senegal. This morning when Virginie mentioned that United Nations University is not so present in Africa, this is true. And when you look at the map of locations of the UN Institute in Africa, it's a kind of what we call in statistical probability. You can put a mass 0 on Africa. The only UN Institute I know is that in Accra, UN INRA. And when I joined UN Merit, we discussed about this, and Luc asked me to check whether it's possible to twin with a research institute in French-speaking African country. And this was another challenge. Why to twin with a French-speaking African countries? And I'm pretty sure that almost all people, maybe only few of you, cannot speak French. I think most of the people here understand French and speak French. And this is one of our capacity here at UN Merit, to speak French, English, and then we can also then export this in some sense. But unfortunately, I will not talk about twinning, because what we wanted to do in Senegal is not really a twinning. We wanted to create a new institute of the UN in Senegal. This is the first step. And later on, we can twin, or not, depending on the strategy. So I will report on this new UN institute we wanted to create in Senegal. And with CRES, in collaboration with the Consortium pour la Recherche économique et sociale, Research and Economic Consortium in Senegal. So what have we done so far? When I say so far, it means if you go back, if you go 2 years, in October 2009, when we signed this agreement to create this institute, we promised to do this within 2 years. 2 years means now, you know. And what we did is two important things. The first is the drafting of the business plan of the research institute. Business plan means you need to write somehow the development strategy of the institute. And then we identify 6 research topics. And you can read here: governance and evaluation of policies, human capital, population and health, modern innovation and development. The third is local development, regional integration and globalization, agriculture and social transformation of African economies, and finally growth, equity and redistribution. What we did is try to match the research topic at UN Merit and in CRES. And the first 3 topics are common to CRES and UN Merit. In some sense, maybe topic 5 too, but not so much at UN Merit. So in the business plan, we also have the training strategy. There are also already 2 masters in CRES that we can integrate in the new institute. We have the Masters in Economics PhD program, but also training courses, as we did with DEP here. And also the funding of the institute. So this was the business plan we draft. The second thing is the drafting of the seat agreement, which is an important step of the creation. And this is also done last week, the French draft of the seat agreement, because we cannot introduce only an English version of the seat agreement. So this is done and approved by Tokyo, and it's now under study by Senegalese authorities. Hopefully, we will get the answer of the legal advisor of the Senegalese Ministry of Foreign Affairs within 3 weeks. and then we will see how we move. Yeah. So this is the institutional aspect of the creation. But in the meantime, we realize some output, some research outputs. The first is the meeting we organized with CRES. Michiko already mentioned this about the workshop on evaluation methods for development program in August 2009, the Global X conference, which was our first really big achievement, very successful, thanks to Micheline too. And last year, during the DEP courses, we also have this workshop on the economic of knowledge and innovation jointly with the DEP. And some very interesting collaboration we have with CRES under this twinning umbrella. The first one is the PhD thesis I am co-supervising with Abdoulaye Diagne, who is the director of CRES. And this PhD thesis is that of Fatoumata Diallo, who is here, and we present within a few minutes the slides, poster presentation, and her research is about evaluation of development programs in nutrition and health. This is a very interesting research topic because we have a lot of challenges to realize. Methodological challenges, but also policy challenges. But you will see this during the poster presentation. We also had a visit of Mamadou Ly from CRES, who visited UNMERIT last year for 3 months, and his research topics is the economics and econometrics of ICT, and at the same time he was working with Fred Gall on a project which is just mentioned in the previous presentation, not the previous, the presentation before Micheline Ismail, I think so, yes. And we are discussing with, no, not discussing, we were asked by WIPO to check whether it's possible to do something on patents in Africa. You know, last year, Pierre organized here a workshop on patent in China, which was very successful. And the question is, what about Africa? And WIPO is very interested in that. And we are discussing to set up a project on patenting. I put here patent versus trademarks because we realize that there are very few patents in Africa, but at the same time a lot of trademarks. So maybe trademarks will give a new opportunity to target innovation or patenting in Africa. And I let you discover all these academic papers that are completely or ongoing within this collaboration with CRES. Only academic papers. Thank you.
Thank you.